Hello guys, welcome to Boys Kids Toys TV. Okay. Today I'm Iza. Today I am Omar. Today we are going to show you how to make a balloon powered toy car. This is one of my science project to show the the
Invention.
the pull and force. No, the force, motion, and the pull force and push force and the motion of the car. So let's get into the building. The materials what we're using is recycling. So the materials what we need is one plastic bottle, 4 pieces of bottle caps, 2 sticks, 1 straw, and you can cut the two straws, and because you have to cut the 2 pieces to catch the sticks as for the wheels, and scotch tape
To hold the
hold the holder of the wheels. And this is more dangerous. This is what we have to warn you, the scissors. So make sure your parents have to do that because it might lead to injury. And what the materials all we're using is for the reuse, reduce, and recycle. You will learn that in social studies if you're grade 2 or grade 3 and all and more.
So we make a hole here so we can put the straw, then blow it from inside. Then it will come up to the balloons so the car will move backwards.
But you will see the real outcome of this car. It will be shockingly amazing. So guys, you need your parents to help you for holding, and you can do the materials, you build it, and let your parents hold some, and also for the scissors part when you cut. Yeah.
Because sometimes it's
It leads you to see how sharp those blades. It leads you sometimes to injury. So yeah, let's start the building. You will be shocked in how amazing this toy powered balloon. And we designed
it's
the
not a
first
toy,
part
it's a bottle.
and the wheel.
It's a button.
Cool, right?
Where's the wheel?
I don't know.
So be careful for scissors part because
Okay, now we're gonna build.
let's start the building process.
So the first part, we're gonna build the straws.
We're going to take
1 scotch tape. Stick that here. So
we can place it. Make sure it's in the middle part. So we need to put your tape on the middle, the straw on the middle part of the tape, so you can glue it. No, here. So you can
be careful.
put it in the area and be careful. You might place it the wrong area. Oh,
I don't know why is it not working.
there you go.
There. I built my first straw. Now second straw. And make sure you have to cut your straw so you can put the wheel on. Then put popsicle sticks.
So when you're making it, should be not like that. So this is part is for the balloon. You'll see it how it looks like.
Okay, now we'll add the second part. And the wheel should be at the bottom, not here. You cannot drive the car. No. Second, sticker.
It's kind of easy. And guys, you don't need to struggle hard for this because it's an easy project anyone can do.
Okay, now
But be careful for some parts. There you go. This is the
So,
building process.
there. I built one wheel.
This is
Now
the wheel.
Isa, don't push me.
But sadly it's so here. Now we're going to place the wheels on the sticks. So first you have to place one wheel. And then
It's hard. My sticker's broken.
okay. And place it on the straw area that
Guys,
you did.
if your sticker's already dried, you can use another sticker. It's weird.
Scotch tape. And then
This masking.
tape.
So
What we're using because masking tape are
I don't
stronger.
know how to use this thing. Maybe it's massive.
And you place the stick here on the wheel, right? When you're done placing it, you place it maximally inside the holes, but not to its side. So when you're doing it, you have to put this inside the straw that you put in the masking tape and start placing your second wheel.
Wait, you're already in the second wheel? Kidding me? So guys, it's so hard really to put these extra other wheels. Ah yeah, there I put it.
Make sure, guys, also your sticks are a little bit long so the car can drive.
Then put the other
Put
stick.
this other,
on here.
do the same thing that you done to the other. Just place it on
Hard.
here. Oh,
This one is hard. Could someone help me please?
kind of hard,
Kind
right?
of hard. The hole is so small.
So we also do the same thing here, right there. Place it there. And make sure to be careful and watch carefully to your eyes, and
no.
because of this stick.
Something's weird. Something's weird. Oh,
Done.
there I fix it. Oh, this is actually controlling the wheel.
There, bicycle. Let's test if we did a very good job. Woo! We did a really good
This wheel
job.
is moving.
Now we're going to do in the real way. This is the most easiest part you will do. So first, you take your long straw that you brought and
Then
what
stick it in.
balloon. You place the balloon here.
Remember, guys. Remember, as I told you, there's a hole so you can stick the straw in. There.
And guys,
Then take a blow.
So
That's straw.
first, you're gonna take your straw and this in your balloon. Any balloon you can use. And then place the balloon right here, there, and hold it. So we're going to use one tape around here.
And there's a other tape so you can use it. Then you can use a masking tape. Oh no.
You have to make sure to round it off by using two tape because it won't be strong enough. There you have it. You're done. So now you're going to now we're going to test if it's strong enough.
You're making an actual balloon. Yeah,
Okay.
you can taste a balloon.
Now the most amazing part will be the placing of your
Exactly. You have to
Here,
flip
oh,
it backwards.
from here. Now it's time to place your balloons right on your cart. You saw your two holes right here. You place the balloon inside and the other. Oh no, this is then you.
Get
It's
it?
kind of hard.
Nah, I didn't get it. I think. No, we got it. And there! Finally, guys. We got it. Now let's try it.
Oh, guys, it's so hard.
Now we have to place this until your sticker level and cut half part of it so it won't take long time putting the air there. So let's go. And
No. Here.
yeah. Our car is ready to go for a test drive. So let's get started for the test drive. First, Omar, because he's the first one to finish. So camera's facing like this, so I can move like this. Three, two, one, go! Oh, no, wrong side! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, my Once is a champion!
Guys,
Don't the right! Go! Whoa! Because the balloon.
wow, make drift.
A drift! A drift! Oh, yes! A drift! I thought the drift! Oh!
Wow.
My car can we're going to end this video for now, but you can watch our next video if you wanted to. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and the like button, even if you're new. So thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you like my science project. Bye. You tested and find it really good. So I bet you did that. If you did that, hit the like on this video. So bye. Bye.